put it in the video this week.
Alright, sweet, yeah.
Bright and early Friday morning on the road to Southwick. Morning, Dwight.
What's up?
Ready for Southwick?
Sure am.
Let's go play in the sand. On the road again. What'd you do last night, Dwight?
I rode some dirt bikes.
Why didn't I get invited?
You were invited. You had a vlog to finish.
Hope you guys know I sacrificed my only chance to ride this month to make these vlogs for you.
I think you got the very end of the bridge. Hey, it's really nice out. It's just been raining for the past, what, hour?
Just rolling into Southwick here on Friday and it's pouring.
Here's a school, and then there's a home.
Yeah. It's raining. I don't want to set up in the rain. There is some water. So this is the current situation at Southwick. We just pulled in, just getting into our spot, and it's pouring. We having fun setting up in the rain?
Great.
How many times have we set up in the rain so far this year, Dwight?
I don't know.
I feel like all we do is
All we do, we might as well just put our swimsuits on.
Let's
That's
do
all
it.
we do.
Hopefully the rain stops soon, and sick of being wet. So it's Friday afternoon. We just got to the hotel, got the booth pretty much dialed in, ready to go. Supposed to be a couple storms tonight possibly, so we didn't go and set up everything, but we're gonna head to the Mexican place, grab some dinner. Just caught Dwight actually watching last week's vlog. How's our hotel room smell?
Moldy feet. It's disgusting. I always feel like my throat's closing.
Because you just were breathing in black mold.
Oh, black mold.
Dwight actually watched one of the vlogs.
It's like what? How many are there? 19 you said?
Mm-hmm.
That's what? 3 out of 19 I watched?
Mm-hmm.
That one was okay.
I hate you.
Amateur at best. Don't park under that gutter.
Ooh.
Foes Asian cuisine.
Gutter's looking good.
Oops.
So it's a little after 6 in the morning. We just got to the track. Saturday, day of the National. And got to build out this booth, get it ready to go.
My happy face. Slept in a really delightful hotel room.
Mm-hmm. About 1 o'clock, first moto is just about to go off. We're finally getting a little break here at the booth, so I'm gonna go check it out and watch the start of the moto. craziest things about Southwick, if you've never been here, literally the track is nestled right in the middle of town. So right here, this is their town park where they have their baseball fields, their school field, there's playground, you know, just like a town park. And then we turn 180 degrees and here's the motocross track, literally directly next to the school grounds. It's so crazy. Slacking already?
Anyway, I gotta go.
I leave for 2 seconds and you're on your phone. Man, it's hot out there, dude.
Thanks.
Yeah, burger time. Surprise, surprise. It's raining. 5? Right now? So it's like 4 or 5 o'clock in the afternoon on Saturday. It's been hot and muggy all day, and of course we just got a crazy quick rain shower. Just enough to make everything soaked and a mess. Just in time to pack it all up. Well, we set up in the rain, boy, and we teared down in the rain, huh?
That's how it is.
Literally are just getting finished now, and it's just starting to stop now. So been about 45 minutes of tearing everything down in the rain. We're soaked. That's a wrap on Southwick, I guess. Look, not hot or wet at all.
Neither. Feel great.
Started Southwick in the rain, ended Southwick in the rain. That police car for you, Dwight?
They got hot chocolate, I'll go anywhere.